Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 18 how to delete a video on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, and a video that you have uploaded to your account. If you're not sure how to do that, go back to the previous tutorials, watch that video, and then come back to this tutorial. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then we see the video that we did upload. Click on this video. And to delete this video now, we can go to the arrow that points towards the bottom of your screen. Click on this, delete tweet. Yes, this cannot be undone and will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any accounts that follow you, and from Twitter search results. Yes, delete. And now the tweet of the video has been deleted. Command R to refresh. Tweets and replies, media. Nothing is available at the moment. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.